Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and we're giving you a tour of the paved section of this road. Now between Harborview and Yalos, the road is paved, both sides, 100% paved. You might have one or two spots where they have dug up the road and it's going to need to be touched up, but the road itself is paved. And we are going to show you the Bull Bay section. Now look at the Jersey barrier, look at the street lights going in. This road is going to have street lights between Harborview and Yalos, over 400 street lights, and they have started to install them, and they are actually commissioned into service. We're going to come back over here probably tonight and make a video of the lights in operation. Now I'm trying to figure something out. Why do they have these cones in the road? At so many spots along this road they have these cones. I just can't figure out why these cones are here. Does anybody know? I see the white dots, which mean they are going to put in the white lines. But at so many points on this road they have cones like this. I just can't figure out why they're here, because there is no hole in the road. I don't know if they're marking something. I have no idea. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But as you can see, the road is nicely paved, and once the white line goes in, then you know it's finished. And those white dots on the road is to line up the machine that is going to put in the white lines. And then here again are some more cones. I'm just trying to figure out what these cones would, and it's the same two cones again. There must be a reason why they have so many of them on the road. I just don't know why. If anybody knows, can you leave a comment in the section below? There is some paving equipment, but as we said, it's just a few touching up sections left to be done. And of course, there's an entity in Jamaica that loves to dig up roads, especially roads that are recently paved. We're not going to call any names, but those sections that need to be touched up, I'm sure, have something to do with that entity. Alright, there you can see some more street lights. Very nicely done. China Harbour Engineering Company did this road. The paving, everything was done by Czech. Okay, now this does not look good. Why are they on the... I guess it's single lane traffic on this side of the road. There you go. Well, this is actually the machine that does the painting. Oh, we saw it in operation somewhere else. Let's see if they're going to actually do the painting now. You would think it's some complicated process, but it's very simple. I'm surprised that the roads in Jamaica don't have more white lines on them. It's so simple to do. I guess they're not ready yet. They're still working on something. As you can see, the road is nicely paved, and the entire section, it's from Kingston to Yalos, is 17 kilometers paved, nicely done. You have to admire all the progress going on in Jamaica. there's a light. That sign indicates that a stoplight is going to come out here. Now the stoplight is to control the turning. No turn there. That's a very strange sign. So this highway is supposed to be opened, commissioned into service, all 4 lanes, at the end of December. This section is actually a new alignment for the road. The bridge wasn't put in, and we're actually going through the hills now. The original road is to the left of where you saw the sign, no left turn. That's why it's very strange that they have a no left turn sign there, because that's where you would turn to access the old road. You can see this road, this section doesn't have the white lines, but it's paved. You can see the dots where the machine is going to put in the white lines. So the entire section from Harborview to Yalos is paved. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think.